Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can install a Hugo theme on your existing website. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to come the official website of Hugo, and then you will find this type of website. Now from here on the top side you will find couple of menus are there. One of the menu item is themes. To download and install this theme, we have to download it from here, and then only you can install. Otherwise you can build a theme by yourself from scratch. I'm going to download one theme from the official website of Hugo, where there are many free themes are there. I will choose one and then I will try to install it on my existing website. So I'm going to access the themes, and here we'll find there are many themes are there. So if you keep scrolling, you will see themes are loading continuously. So there are many themes. I think more than 500 600 themes are there, not sure, but you can count. That is not my goal. My goal is how you can install an existing theme. So here there are filters of the theme. You can filter based on like minimal, block theme, dark theme, personal theme. So many types of theme are there. Let's choose this first theme, which is paper mode. Just click here and it is the paper mode theme download page. Basically not the download, this is the feature page, and from there we can access the download of this theme. So here it is showing paper mode, a fast, clean, responsive Hugo theme. Okay, and this is the GitHub score and updated like 5th January, which is like today or recent days. And here this is the details of this theme, and they give us a preview of this theme, and these are the features. Right now this theme is supported. So every theme of Hugo, whatever you try to download or install, if you go to the theme details, you'll find this type of outlook. Left side you'll find a short description like GitHub score and what type of theme, license, then update date, and the download button. And right side this is the preview, and below that for some themes they have very good documentation. This one they have very good documentation, that's why it is looking like this. For some of them it's not there, but still those are very nice theme. Those are free also, and here they mentioned the feature for this theme. And also if we keep scrolling, they also mention how to install this theme and frequently asked question or how to guide. So they mention like read wiki, from there we can check those things later. And now this theme is a nice theme basically. Now let's see how we can download this theme. To download this theme, basically we need to click here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open in a new tab, and once the theme is opened in the download like new tab, we can access and we'll see like this. And here it is showing like Hugo Papermode theme. So this is the theme name basically, and here it has all the files or folders for this theme. And over there they also mention a demo link and the output and how to use this theme or how to install, everything is there. So before downloading everything, let's jump to the documentation section basically. So this section is very important, install and update. So here they mention here is the details of installation of this theme. For each theme, most of the cases they have this type of documentation, but for this theme I see, and also for some theme you will not find, but it's same or similar. So now right click again, open in a new tab to check the documentation. Okay, so here they mention the installation. So here they mention how to install, and over there they mention very details actually, or step by step, like getting started, follow Hugo docs quick start guide to install Hugo. So they mention like you need to install Hugo before using this theme, and they are expecting that your Hugo basically it should be greater than this version of Hugo, which is 0.112. And then you need to create a site like this Hugo new site. They mentioned how to create the site with this command also. And they also mentioned like installing Hugo Paper Mode and how to install that thing. They mention like different ways to install it, like git clone, then git sub module, download and unzip Hugo module, and so many things. And after that you need to configure this theme. Okay, let's go to the GitHub page because those are not required. I'm going to show you how you can easily download this theme, and for also other website I mean other Hugo website, you can also do the same thing. So you have to come this page first, and then here basically what you need to do, you'll find a green button is there which is mentioned like code and with a drop down. Just click here and it will be opened like this. So from here just choose the last option, which is download zip. I'm going to click here and this theme will be downloaded to some particular location of hard disk. I'm going to choose downloads folder, and then I'm going to press save button to download it. It's very small size, and you will see it will be downloaded instantly. It's very small size, like 270 kilobyte size. Now access the downloads folder. So I'm going to access the download folder. So this is my downloads folder, and here is the theme which I downloaded. Now if we access it, we'll find the files are there, files and folders are there, and even we basically again if we click here like this. So here basically if you check carefully, this is like a compressed zip folder. Okay, so we cannot use this theme. So what we need to do, we need to extract this theme first. So I'm going to extract it here, right click and then extract all, and it is asking the location where we want to extract. I'm going to put it on the same folder or drive location, and then I'm going to press extract button, and it will be extracted very shortly, and it will be, we'll see over there. It opened in a new tab, new window. I'm going to close it, and here we see this is the theme basically which is extracted. Before it was compressed, this is extracted. This one we can delete. I'm going to click it and delete it. Now access this folder. Okay, and here is the theme basically. Okay, here is the theme. So what we have to do, we have to actually copy this entire folder to the theme folder. So what we can do, we can right click and then we can copy it. Then I'm going to jump my Hugo website. So I already have Hugo website. One of my Hugo website I just installed and I created site. So here basically this is the default folder structure of a Hugo site, and inside this theme it's empty right now, nothing is there. So I'm going to copy this thing which I copied before, and I'm going to paste it here, right click and paste it, and it will be pasted like this. Now what we need to do, we need to rename this thing. So I'm going to right click and then I can choose rename. So this is the not this one, this one is the rename, or you can press F2 key of your keyboard, function key 2, and then what you need to do, just remove the master part, and you go paper mode, this is fine, or you can remove this thing also like paper mode, this is fine. So this is the steps I need to do basically before configuration. So basically we just put it the extracted theme file or folders, everything over the themes folder basically. Now if we go to the Visual Studio basically, and if we refresh, we'll see under themes there is on folder paper mode. Okay, it's there. So basically we just put all the files. Now what do we need to do? So right now it looks like this. Now let's come to this page again, and here themes, our theme is paper mode and it's showing paper mode. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's right click and copy this path basically, or just press rename. We don't need it to do like this, it's fine, we're going to ignore it. Now let's come to this page, Visual Studio Code. I'm going to close this welcome screen, and now we need to configure. So there are a couple of files are there. So for any Hugo site, there is a theme.toml file, TOML file. We have to come here. This is the theme folder basically, not this one. So we have to come this hugo.toml TOML file, and here we just need to configure the theme. So we need to type some online. It's called theme, and then equal. Then we have to type the theme name. The name of the theme is paper mode, right? So we have to mention like paper mode. Okay, and then we can save it. Okay, so now let's run it. I'm going to run this thing again, Hugo server, and then hit enter key of my keyboard. So once I hit enter key, now it is showing like this. Okay, now let's run this application or website on the browser. So this is the URL. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to open it on a page basically. So here this is the browser. Okay, I don't know how it is not coming. So yes, this is the browser, and I'm going to open new tab, and then I'm going to press Ctrl V to paste the URL, and then I'm going to hit enter key. And once we enter the like enter key is pressed, basically we'll see this output. And now here you see that this theme is installed. Right now there is no content, that's why it is not showing anything. But if we click this thing, we'll see, easily understand that the theme has been installed. I'm going to click here and see the dark mode is there. So this paper mode theme has two view. One is light view and there is dark view. So like this. And also here down there is a footer also, it mentioned like that. So that's it guys. In this way basically we can easily install any Hugo theme. Most of the cases it will be similar like that, like 99% sure it will be the similarly this way. So what you need to do, you just need to choose one theme from this themes link or menu. There are many themes are there, choose any of them, then go to their download link. So for each theme there is download button is there, just click over there and it will be open like this way. From here just download the code or zip file and then extract it and put it on the themes folder. And after that we just need to configure the theme like this way, right? So let me double click to expand it and just put it in the themes folder. So here this is the paper mode, this is the theme, and also after that come to this hugo.tuml file and just add this line. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily install any Hugo theme on our existing website. And finally, after installation of the Hugo theme, we just need to test it by using that URL and accessing that URL. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question or if you face any issue, just put in the comment section.